This guide shows how to add and configure company attributes and custom fields, assign them to a company attribute set, and verify them while creating a company. Navigate to calsoftgroup.com. From the dashboard, click System. In the System menu, click on Company Attribute. Click on Company Attribute. Click Company Attribute to create a new company field. And enter Front-End Label. Enable Used in Site by selecting Yes so the field appears in the application. Open Front-End Properties and enable the necessary front-end options. Click on Yes to display filter. Click on Yes to display additional information. Open Custom Properties and enable the required custom settings. Click on Yes in Custom Field 1. Click on Yes in Custom Field 10. Click Save to store the newly created company attribute. To assign company attribute to company attribute set, navigate back to System. Click on Company East West. Click the More Options 3 dots icon and select Edit. Select Edit. Click Add to include the newly created company attribute in the set. Select the required label and click OK to confirm the selection. Click Save to apply the changes to the company attribute set. Go to the Company section from the main menu. Click Add Companies to create a new company. Verify that the new field, for example, Work In, is visible in the company form.